wrench. Wonder what it could be. Today we're going to be checking out some of the new parts for the scooter. Christmas. There's nothing like the smell of carburetor in the morning. First pin. .72 cc's of power right there. Camera abuse, those look like bits. It's gotta be the head. I went with GY6 172cc 61mm 4-cylinder head wrench. I went with the cast piston. I didn't get the forged piston only because I'm going to be doing a lot of mileage on this. So if you watch any of his videos, he talks about longevity over performance, where it'll still get performance, but with the cast piston it warms up faster with less. Is that the UPS guy? No, I'm sorry guys. There's no more scooter parts. No more scooter parts. It's okay.